Welcome. In this video I will share some tips on how to use Logitech MX Master 4 across multiple screens. So the first thing I want you to check is the multi-monitor setup. So ensure that display arrangement matches physical placement in your operating system settings. This will help the mouse's cursor naturally flow across edges between screens. Now, how to do that? Simply right-click on your desktop, then select Display Settings, and then here arrange your display the way that they are physically arranged. In my case, they are set up properly, so that this is what my monitors look like at the moment. In order to arrange them, you just have to grab one of the monitors and then place it the way it is physically placed, and then click apply to confirm. And now after that you'll be able to use your device seamlessly, and you can also set the DPI on your mouse high. You can set up to 8000 DPI. I don't think that's for most cases. I don't think this is necessary. Well, I still don't know the sizes of your monitors, but maybe actually it's a good option for you. And anyway, in order to set the higher DPI on your mouse, you first have to download and install the Logitech Options Plus application that you can see in front of you on my desktop screen. In order to download and install it, you just have to enter the official Logitech.com website. This application is free to use, free to download. It's very easy to download and install. You don't even have to do anything in the process, so just download the installation file and run it. And after that, the application will be installed on your computer. You can also sign into your account using maybe some of these side accounts that you have, like Google account, Apple account, etc. You don't have to do this. It's an optional feature if you want to add some custom plugins for your mouse. And once you install this application, in order to see your mouse on the devices list right here, you just have to connect it to your computer, and you can use any connection type that you prefer. So to increase your DPI, click on your mouse, then go to point, scroll, press section, and then go to pointer speed, and here you can set the DPI level for your mouse. You can if you want to extend sensor range to 8K DPI, you just have to switch this toggle to the right, and then you can adjust the pointer speed for two monitors workspace, just like this. So just set it to the value that's comfortable for you. You can also set some custom DPIs, like clicking plus right here, and then whenever you enter any application, you can basically lower your DPI. So you can, for example, use the high DPI for the system and the lower one for an application. And to add an application for your exception, maybe it's the application that you often use, you just have to click plus right here, then select the application from the list. For example, let's take Google Chrome, and click confirm, continue, and then select Google Chrome, and then set a custom DPI level for this application right here. And then whenever you'll be using Google Chrome, your DPI level will drop down to 1000 in my case. Now the next thing is haptic feedback. So if your pointer is lost and you cannot find it on your screens, you can enable haptic feedback so that whenever you cross the line between your monitors, you will feel a haptic feedback underneath your thumb. In order to enable it, click haptic feedback, then go right here. Then you can adjust haptic intensity by selecting one of the available options you see right here. And then to enable the switch screens feedback, you just have to scroll to the very bottom of the list and enable this feature by switching the toggle to the right. And now whenever you switch your mouse, your pointer between screens, you'll feel this haptic feedback. And that's basically that's basically it. Now you are fully set up. So if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.